Welcome everybody to RWSM here, Michael Mark. Yes, on this fall it looks so amazing of nature. So I would like to share all it with you guys. And you can see now at North Carolina. So the create by nature is the mother nature and full of the colors and we can enjoy on the fall season. Kind of beautiful reflection from sunlight and with the wind too and match up with the blue sky and make this thing so the wonderful day and very pretty view and like to you're having a good time by watching all this color that in the fall season the tree going to turn into the different beautiful color. But in North of America, like Pennsylvania, Maryland, New York, some on October, it's full of the color all over the place, even covered the mountain too. Full of color today, it kind of make me happy and enjoy the mother nature creator in the fall season. Every year on the fall, yes, I spend mostly time to go in the wood or sit, watch at the nature's creators and full of the color, different kind of the colors, and it's so much amazing of nature to sit and watch. Thank you guys for your watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, you like RWSM and please help to support channel by subscribe the channel or click the bell to get new video or you like to comment, please leave the comment. Thank you for your watching. We see you guys on the next video. You guys have a nice day. Bye bye.